this video, I will show with you how to transfer money from WebMoney to Binance account. So guys, if you want to, let's get started. Click first deposit crypto on Binance and then choose network you want to deposit. For example, USDT, click on USDT. So guys, you should be use USDT and then make a verification steps and copy your address for USDT. And you have also spots. You can deposit through spots. Just copy your address to your Binance. For example, you have USDT, copy this address to your USDT and then go to your WebMoney. From WebMoney, you will see this page. Click on this line here and then choose cryptocurrency and choose USDT. After that, click output this USDT and then copy your USDT address you want to withdraw. That's come from Binance. Copy your address and then choose your amount you want to withdraw, for example 100 USDT, and choose the network here. After that, click send. So friends, this is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon.